So, if you've been struggling with creating your own Figma account or you don't know how to get started, well, good for you. Today, I'll be showing you how to create your own Figma account. So, let's go. So, I'm using a fresh browser that I have not used before for to create a Figma account just so I can show you the process of how to go about it. Now, to get started, we'll go to figma.com. Oops, .com. Okay, so it's going to load and it's going to like take us to the Figma landing page. So when it loads, yeah. So what you need to do now is go ahead and click on get started for free or log in if you already have an account. Then you can also as well just scroll through the page and get an understanding of what it's about, right? What you can do with it. But for the purpose of this video, for the purpose of this lecture, we're just going to go straight up and click on get started. Now you can go through this process of adding your email and then it will take you to add password. But for swift and easy processing, I'm just going to use create continue with Google. Okay. So once I click on that, it's going to go ahead to authenticate the whole process. It's going to authenticate. So we're going to go ahead and continue with the email account, right? And allow it to load to finish authenticating. Yeah, so click on continue and then it's going to redirect us to finish the process. So only take a moment. We're almost done. Okay, yeah, so yeah, has to confirm that you're human, right? Okay, great. So it's taking us to the web, the browser version. Okay. Mm, so yeah. So as a new user, as someone who is just starting out, okay. So see, it will take you to enter your name. So I'm just going to like use random informations. I mean, yeah. Continue what you work as, learning design. Okay. Um, which role best describes you? Which role best describes you? So we can just choose what applies to you. So you can skip this process. Will anyone else be joining you? So if you don't have anybody that is joining you yet, just skip the process. Have you used Figma products before? So if you're a newbie, you can say no. If you're not, you can say yes. So for your sake, I'm just going to say no. Okay. So which plan would you like? So because you're just starting out, these are professional plans. Just go ahead and click on status plan and then continue. What would you like to do first? Design with Figma, whiteboard for FigJam, present. So this is for slides, then create assets with Figma. But so we're just going to go ahead and click on design with Figma. Finish. You can as well skip this process, right? But finish. So that's all. Now it's going to open up the Canva for you. So these are like samples of what you can do with Figma, but then this is the entire process of how you get to create your Figma account. It's that easy, very easy. Okay, yeah. So on my next video, I'll be showing you how to go about creating your first design on Figma. Thank you for joining me.